This is how to make coffee if you don't have a coffee maker. So first you get tea bags, you empty them out, and then you get some coffee and put it in here, and then you double layer it, and then you staple it. So I'll get back to you when I have it full of coffee. So you fill it up with coffee, about a tablespoon if you're going to make a cup full, like I am. And then you just get the water really hot after you staple this and double it over. You just staple it. Make sure you get the staple on there. Staple it. Okay, that did not work. Make sure you get the... Okay, that's better. Then you just take this and put it in here. So you don't get no ground in coffee. In here and staple it off just like you did the other one. I started to do that because I found out that if you don't double it, then you can have a leak. You get coffee grounds on the top. And if you don't like coffee grounds in coffee, you mess with that. So now you just get turn on the hot water. Make sure it's the hardest thing you get it. I'll get back to you when it gets hot. Okay, so the water's hot, so all you gotta do is put the finger and stick it under. Then you close it. Then you leave it in there and wait about 5 minutes, and it'll turn into coffee. So I'll get back to you in about 5 minutes. Okay, it's about 2.5 minutes in, and the coffee's done. Let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy. Pause it.